Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to change the battery in the smoke alarm. Usually it'll make a sound kind of like this, and so that's telling you the battery's dead. So you'll just need a small ladder to get up to it, and these take a 9-volt battery. And so if you look at the 9-volt battery, it has a bigger tip on the top and a smaller tip. And so if you look at the side of the battery, it'll show you that the positive side is the smaller one and the negative side is the bigger one. And in a lot of these newer smoke alarms, you don't even have to disconnect anything. You just pull the tab here and slide it out, and then you're going to wiggle the battery out. Okay, and so it's not really plugged into anything once it slides open. So you'll just pull the old battery out like this, and you can see, take note, we have the smaller end towards us, and that's how we're going to put the new one in the same way. So here's what it looks like up inside. It's just going to go into those two holes, and then as you close it, then it makes its connection. So very simply, just put this up in here and pop it into place, and it'll feel kind of loose, and that's okay. As soon as you close it and it clicks, it's now making its connection, and you're done. So that's how easy it is to change a smoke alarm battery. Some of the other older models, you actually have to unplug the top of the 9-volt battery on both ends, and sometimes it just clicks in, but this is a pretty traditional newer smoke alarm. So if you have any questions, let me know, and thanks for watching.